Hello everyone. In today's class, we will see the target attribute. So the target attribute can be used along with the anchor tag, and it can also be used with the form tag, and also it can be used with the base tag. So the target attribute has got the following values. So the values of the target attribute are, so the first one is underscore self, and the second one is underscore blank, and the third one is underscore parent, and the fourth one is underscore top. Okay, so these are the four values of the target attribute. So the target attribute, what does the target attribute do? So we'll be using the target attribute uh, to specify. So the target attribute is used to specify where to open. So where to open the linked document. Okay, so where to open the linked document. So whether you want to open it in the same window, or you want to open it in another tab, or you want to open it on top of the parent window, or all that will be decided. Okay, so the target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. And so what is underscore self? So underscore self opens the linked document in the same frame as it was clicked. Okay, so in what frame you click the link, so the frame in the same frame itself, the document will be opened. So that is self. So what is self? Self opens the linked document in the same frame as it was clicked. Now coming to the next one, which is underscore blank. Underscore blank opens the linked document in the new tab. Okay, so in the new tab it will open, or in the new window it will open the linked document. Now coming to underscore parent. Underscore parent will open the linked document in the parent frame. And underscore top will open the linked document in the full body of the window. So we'll see all this practically now. So let me open the notepad. So this is my notepad. So I have HTML, and then I'm creating two frames. So I'm creating a frame. Okay, so frame set, and then I'm making two partitions which are vertical partitions. So I'm saying false is equal to. So I want first partition to have the size of 30%, and the rest is I can simply give a star. Okay, fine. So this is my frame set. In the first frame, I'll be uh, having a document which is nothing but frame1.html. So this is what will be there in my first frame. So in my second frame, I'll be having, so SRC stands for source. Uh, so in the second frame, I'll be having a document which is there in frame2.html. So here there are three HTML documents. One is the main one that I'm creating right now, and another HTML document is frame1.html, and the third one is frame2.html. So let me close the frame set tag. So I'm closing the frame set tag, and then I'm closing the HTML tag. Okay, so let me save this on the desktop. So save as, put it on the desktop. Okay, so I'm naming it. So I'm saying it as fr.html. So this is my first document. So as you save it, you can see that fr.html appeared on the desktop for us. So this is fr.html. So as I click on this, so you can see that I have got two partitions of my page. So the first one is having 30% share of the screen, and the rest of the share is for the second screen. Okay, so this is my, okay, let me just give double quotes over here. So save it. Okay, so let me refresh this. So you can see. Okay, so these are the two frames. This is frame1.html, and this is frame2.html. So now let me create frame1.html. So I'm opening again a new notepad. So this is a new notepad. And let me save this as frame1.html. Whatever name we have given there in the source, the same name we have to give here. Okay, so which is frame1.html. So I also saved it that on the desktop. So I'm just saving it. Now I am uh, taking the body tag. So inside the body tag, I'm having an anchor tag. So, and then I'm saying href is equal to, inside the href, I'm just giving the URL of HVECW. Okay. So I'm closing the anchor tag. Okay, fine. Then I'm closing the body tag and then the HTML. Okay, so a very simple code in same one dot HTML. So I'm saving this. So let us go here. Okay, so I'm let me refresh this. So as I refresh this, you can see that I have gotten hyperlink which is saying SEECW. As I click on this, okay, so I want all of you to observe this. Okay, so I want all of you to observe this. As I click on this, let us see where the website will be opened. So the website have opened only in this portion of the frame. Okay, so this is frame 1 dot HTML, right? So this is the first frame and this is the second frame. So the content or the document or the linked document opened in the same frame itself. Okay, so by default, the target attributes value will be underscore self. Okay, so even if I mention it here or not, it will be underscore self. Okay, so underscore self is like opens the linked document in the same frame as it was clicked. Okay, so I have clicked the hyperlink in this particular frame and the document opened in this frame itself. So this is underscore self and by default it is underscore self. So first value of the target attribute, or else let me also show you that something target is equal to so let me give this as underscore self. Okay, so underscore self is the default one. So even if I give it or do not give it, it works the same. Okay, so if I click this, so you can see that the website will be opened only in this part of the frame. Okay, so in this frame itself. So this is underscore self. I hope everybody understood underscore self. Now I'll be changing the attribute value. So I'll be keeping it as underscore blank. So what is the purpose of the underscore blank value of the attribute target attribute? So underscore blank opens the linked document in a new window or a tab. Okay, so let me save this and let me go to the browser. So let me refresh this. Okay, so this is my frame 1 and this is frame 2. So as I click on this SEECW, so see it opened in a new tab for me. Okay, so the original website is as it is, but the document that you want to open, so the link document opens in a new window. So it opens in a new window. So this is regarding underscore blank. So underscore self opens it in the same frame as it was clicked. Underscore blank will open the link document in a new window or tab. So now let us look into
which is nothing but top and parent. To understand this, I actually need to nest the frames. So let me actually do that. Nest the frames. So here in what I'll do is, so this is the first frame, right? Okay, I'll keep it as it is. I'll take frame 1. This is my frame 1. So I'll take my frame 1. So inside my frame 1, I'll take this off. I'll put one more frame. Okay. So in frame 1, I'll put one more frame. I will style this frame because I just want you to understand it in terms of colors, because I'm nesting it one inside the other, right? So you need to know like what is the outer frame, what is the next inside and the next inside frames. So that's to make you understand the frames, inner and outer frames. I'm doing some styling to this particular frame 1.html. Just take a note of it in what document I'm writing it. Okay, so don't just ignore all this. Okay, so where I'm doing it now, I have created one frame. I have in the main thing, right? So this is my main.html or the basic web document. From here in, I'm calling what? From here in, I'm calling frame1.html. So now I am in frame1.html. In frame1, what I am doing is I am creating one more frame and I'll put inside this. I am nesting. And let me put the color of this to be yellow. Background color, colon. What is the color and the yellow color? Put a semicolon and then the double quotes. Okay. And I'm taking iframe. What I'll do is I'll just copy the iframe thing from here and make it frame 2. And just copy to frame 1. So here what I need to open? I need to open frame 2. Okay. So frame2.html and the title is also frame 2. Let me make the color of this to be border color to be solid green. And let me increase the border size to 3 pixel. Okay, fine. So this is what I have done in frame 1. I have created a file which is fr.html. Inside this fr.html, what did I put under? I created a frame. Okay, so which is nothing but frame 1. Inside frame 1, what did I do? I have put frame 2. There is nesting of frames. Now let me just open frame 2 and let me change the colors of this and all that. And so let me make the color of this frame 2 to be red. So I'm making it as red and then we'll keep this. Okay, so this hyperlink and all that, we'll keep it. Right. So let me save this. So let me just launch it. So yellow part is what?
Frame 1.
Frame 1.
Red is?
Frame 2.
Frame 2. Now let me click on Gandhiji. Okay, so when I click on Gandhiji, where did it open? Frame 2 opened in itself. So this is self. Okay, now we already have seen what is meant by self. Aina kuda malli chuvinchanu meeku. So let me actually show you what is blank. Em cheddamu, we'll just go to this frame 2. Okay, and this is the one, right? So Gandhiji is the one. So this is the target. So I'm saying target is equal to so I'll say underscore blank. By default it is self. So I just made it underscore blank. Okay, where will it open now? Where will it open now?
Another tab.
Yeah. I just refreshed it and let me close all this for you. Okay, so as I clicked on Gandhiji, it opened in another tab, right? So this is what happened for underscore blank. Okay, and let me show it for underscore top. See very carefully, girls. Okay, so I'm showing it for underscore top. So let me save this, minimize this, refresh this. I have taken Gandhiji. Where did it open? Where did it open? I'll do it once again for you. I'll do it once again for you. Just take a look. Where did it open? It opened on top. Okay, so it opened on top. So what did I give here option to be? I said top, right? What is top? What is top and name?
Full body of the window.
Full body of the window. So top means that it will open in the full body of the window. How many ever frames are there? How many ever frames are there? It will open in the full body of the window. Okay, it just opened like that. Let me now show you what is meant by parent. Okay. I'll take off this top and now I'm saying parent. Okay. Where did it open?
First.
It opened
Frame 1.
in frame 1. So that's why you are not able to see the frame one's border and all that styling we did. That yellow color thing is not visible because it opened in its parent. So here there is a hierarchy, right? I just have shown you a hierarchy here, what I have created. I have created fr.html. In it I have put a frame 1 and inside frame 1 I have put frame 2. So when I say underscore parent, what it will do is it will open in the parent frame. When I say top, it will cover the entire full window. When I say blank, it will open in the another tab. When I say self, it will open in the same window or in the same frame. I hope everybody understood this. So I said like one of the property, one of the target option is like you want to open it in a specific frame, right? So I hope everybody can see this screen. So I just have done it for you. Yeah. So what did I do in this particular frame tag? Okay, so I just named this frame to be F1. Okay, ఏం చేశానండి? I just named this frame to be F1. This is what I have done. So now I want frame 2. So how many frames I have created? I have created 2 frames. One is both will be occupying half of positions of this particular web page. The first one code is nothing but there in frame1.html. The second frame's code is there in frame2.html. So here in frame 1, I just have taken an image which will actually navigate you or link you to SWEC website. And in frame 2, what I did is I have taken the biodata of Gandhiji from Wikipedia site. Okay, right. So I want generally in case if I give this target to be underscore self, it will open in the same partition or in the same window, in the same frame. If I give underscore blank, it will open in the other tab. If I give underscore top, it will paint on the entire window. And if I say underscore parent, it will take to the parent one, which I already have explained to you in the previous class. All the 4 options that are available, I have discussed in yesterday's class. Now what I'm doing is I'm customizing it. What I'm doing is I want whenever the user clicks on this particular text, which is Gandhiji, what will happen is this particular biodata of Gandhiji will open where I want it to open. I want to open it in frame 1. Okay, so this is frame 2 content. I want frame 2 content to open in frame 1. How I'm giving it, I'm not saying like it is frame1.html. You should not give it that way. I am naming the frame 1 to be name and name is equal to something. And now I'm giving that name here in the target attribute. So I'm saying target is equal to F1. When I say this, it will open in frame 1. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now I'll show you the effect of it. Okay, so this is my FR. Okay, so I just have launched it. So this is my first frame. You can see like it is 50%, 50%. The first frame, if I click on the first frame, since I didn't mention anything, it will open in the same frame. Okay, so it is opening in the same frame. Now here on the other side of the frame, I'm having Gandhiji, right? So if I click on Gandhiji, where it should open?
First frame.
It should open in the first frame. So you can see like it will open. It opened in the first frame. Right?
Yes, ma'am.